Hey everybody, how you doing? Bill Colarulo here with Rich Grungo. We thought now would be a great time to do another GC rundown. It's been a little while since we touched base to talk about all the things that we've done. 2020 is coming to an end. Time for a GC rundown.
You know, when we look at the year and we look at our firm and whole, there's really kind of three things we focus on. First, we obviously focus on our clients and doing right by them. We also focus on our community. And then probably most importantly is we focus on our firm and the people in the firm, because we know we can only help others if we take care of ourselves. So when we look back on the year, we look to those three things. We look at what we've done for our clients, what have we done for the community, and what have we done for our firm.
Yeah, so taking a look at that first thing, the clients. What were we able to do for our clients in 2020? And it's really remarkable when you think about the fact that a pandemic hit only 3 months into the year. And we had to pivot, we had to figure out ways that we did not miss a beat. And over the course of 2020, we've settled over 200 cases. That's 200 families who are now in a better position than they were when they picked up the phone and they called our office. And that's what's unbelievable about what we do here, and a true testament to the people we have here, that we were able to help that many clients during a pandemic in 2020.
And the nature of the help runs the gamut. You know, we were able to help people with employment issues. We were able to help people who were catastrophically injured. We were able to help people who were involved in falls or car accidents. So we were able really not to miss a beat in doing what we do this past year.
In keeping with the theme of helping people, it wasn't just clients that we helped this year. We also helped our community. Now, giving back has always been a big part of Grungo Colarulo as a law firm, but this year we took it a step further and we created the GC Giving Back Foundation. And we set a goal to do at least one community giving event every single month.
We know as a law firm we have such an important responsibility to our clients, but we also know, even more importantly, we have a responsibility to our community. And in looking back over the years, the things we've been able to do to give back, we knew there was better ways. We knew we could be more effective, and this year we created the GC Giving Back Foundation. The reason that it's so significant is because it's incorporated everybody in the firm into giving. So Bill and I used to sit down and come up with ideas and talk to people in the community to figure out what we can do. Now we've invited people in the entire firm, we've invited to volunteer and be part of the GC Giving Back Foundation, and the response has been overwhelming. The GC Giving Back Foundation has probably been the significant, most important thing we've done this year, because we have been able to systematically give back more.
And these are some of the amazing things the GC Giving Back Foundation did in 2020. The Coat Drive,
The Community Scholarship,
Operation Christmas Child,
the Food Drive,
the Bikes for Kids,
Stop Soldier Suicide Support,
the Backpack Drive,
gift cards for new moms,
a bunch of donations to the Philippines,
Burlington Township Food Pantry,
photo shoot giveaway for a high school senior,
Dunkin' Donut gift cards for teachers,
gift cards for medical professionals,
sponsorship of a local basketball tournament. When we talk about how we look back at the year and what we analyze, we analyze what we've done, how we've done by our clients. We analyze how we've done by our community. And then we step back and say, how did we improve our firm? And when you think about our firm, it really consists of three important components. Actually, I'm going to say four important components. The first would be our people. There's nothing more important than our people. The second would be our culture and who we are. The third would be our resources, from our building to our technology. And finally would be our systems. So we take a look back over this past year of those four components, and we really evaluate how we've done.
Yeah, and looking at the first one, people. Man, did we improve in 2020. During a pandemic, we were able to bring on 8 new team members that have really furthered that culture that Rich talked about. Not only made us a better law firm from a legal perspective, but made us a better law firm from a culture perspective. We have people here who truly care about what they do. They truly care about the legal work they're performing, the clients they're representing, and just as important, they care about our communities. And that is what separates us from everybody else.
And when we talk about culture, it's our why, it's who we are and what we do. And we've already talked about the community giving back. We've already talked about the results we've done for our client. That is our culture. We give more than we ask for, and we give more than we take. and it's been an incredible year from a culture perspective.
And as Rich said, another area that we improved in 2020 was our resources. And starting off back in January of 2020, when the year first hit, we expanded our office space. We got a brand new suite on the first floor of our building and doubled our footprint here. We have a state-of-the-art facility with 3 conference rooms, multiple offices, just a beautiful, beautiful place. Unfortunately, pandemic hit and we went remote.
So obviously when people are in the office, the focus is on making sure they're comfortable and they have what they need to work. We were very, very fortunate in this crazy world when we were forced to work from home because we had the technology in place. And what I mean by that is we're paperless. Our people were prepared to go home. They had the technology because we were paperless, but we also made sure they had everything else they needed. We have been very fortunate in the sense that our people are so dedicated and such professionals. We didn't miss a beat when we worked from home.
Yeah, and if you follow us or you know anything about us, you know how much we focus on our technology. Our case management software is completely cloud-based, which gives us the ability to access it from really anywhere in the world. We also have the ability to text message with clients. We have the ability to video conference. We have the ability to send documents electronically so that they can be signed right from your smartphone. All of these things made it very, very easy for us to transition to be remote so that we didn't miss a beat, so that our clients didn't feel that their cases were being left behind because of this pandemic. We continued to push forward, and that's why we were so successful in being able to resolve over 200 cases this year.
And because we've been doing this so long, we understand the client's journey. We know the questions they are going to be asking. We know the pain points of the journey. And we've doubled down on our efforts to help anticipate those pain points, help explain those pain points, and use the technology, whether it be a Zoom conference or, as Bill said, electronic signature, to make life more convenient for people who have a lot on their plate because they're dealing with injuries. We have constantly improved over the year. We have made life easier for clients dealing with very difficult issues. And frankly, most of the best ideas came from our people who are in the trenches every single day helping others.
Yeah, so as 2020 comes to an end, we want to personally thank, first of all of the clients who have put their trust in our law firm. That is a responsibility that we do not take lightly, so thank you for the confidence. And secondly, to our people here and anyone out there who has helped make this year as successful as it was in light of all of the circumstances that we faced as a law firm, as a community, as a country, and as a world.
We have thrived throughout these challenges, and we look forward to 2021 and the new challenges that will lie ahead.
So thank you and cheers to a great 2021. Thanks for watching the GC Rundown.